Thanks for clicking on my video. So I'm on a mission today. I'm off down to Seafront. I'm after finding some Weston Super rock, but not just any rock. I don't mean like the stone hard rock. I mean the edible type. So next month I get married and we're after some favours, so I'm on a mission to find either pink ones or blue and white striped ones. So wish me luck. I think I'm going to need it, and it's absolutely boiling today, so I'm already on meltdown. So I've got 3 there. Thank you very much. Nice. So I'm down at the seafront now. I might go on the waltzers later if I'm up to it. No. So anyway, I'm off down this way. There is like an indoor market shop. I'm going to try there first. So I'm going to try just over here first, then work my way down there, and then along the seafront where I know there's a few other shops there. Might even try the pier if I don't find any. I'm sure they've got plenty of rock. So this is the first place I'm going to try. Let's go and have a look. I couldn't find any Weston Super rock, but what I have found is these awesome Weston t-shirts. Look at these. Pier shorts and real good ones. Might come back for one of them. Thanks a lot. Cheers. Very much. Suits you that. Looks alright. So that's one shop down, like the first one. I didn't think it was going to be this easy. You know, you go to the first shop and it's exactly what you want. But they had some good stuff in there. I really like the t-shirts they had. I think I might have to go back for one of them. So I'm back down on the seafront. I've come this way because I thought if I start at the Winter Gardens and work all the way along, hopefully one of these. It always cracks me up every time I see it. Wonky Donkey. Hang on, I'll show you. So let's get in Wonky Donkey and see what they've got. Perfect, just what I want. I know this is a bit off topic, but if you're after magnets, they've got loads of magnets. I'm a bit of a sucker for a magnet, especially a Western one. I don't think I've got this one. I haven't got that one. Carry on looking. Perfect for what I wanted. Perfect colour. I was after pink. They've also got like a pink and white, which would be even better. Strawberry, that's it, isn't it? Strawberry. And then spearmint blue. So I wanted all 3 of these, and I thought it was going to be really hard work. But no, I went to a couple of shops, and this Wonky Donkey has the best deals for the rock. So if you want some cheap rock, get down to Wonky Donkey. That's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want. And thank you very much. And you know, great service. Even bagged it up for me. Thank you very much. Best place to get your rock from in Weston Super.
Yeah. Just bought some, haven't you? Yeah.
What have you bought today?
Rock.
Nice, yeah, same here. Oh, fantastic little shop, and I've got all my rock. That was pretty easy to do, so happy about that. I thought I was going to be out all day burning, because if you see, I've got quite a big forehead, and it's kind of like a solar panel for the sun, and I always end up burning it and getting red. And anyway, that's just my problems. But anyway, waffling on again. But thanks very much for watching my video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, give us a comment. Where do you go for your rock? Is there any in particular place you go? If so, give us a shout and I might go and pop and have a look. Thanks very much. Bye.